Hi, I'm Karry Benjamin. I'm the esthetician and founder of StackedSkincare, and if you know me, you know how much I love derma cleaning. And this is our Derma Cleaning Tool. It's one of our #1 sellers. I love derma cleaning so much because it instantly brightens and smooths your skin because it removes that dead skin and peach fuzz. It's going to allow your products to penetrate better and your makeup to go on smoother. But with this blade, it is a little tricky to get into some of the areas like your nose and around your brows. So I have some exciting announcement today. We now have a new attachment for your handle. It's a little mini touch-up blade that's going to allow you to precisely do your nose to help with blackheads and congestion, and then also touch up your brows. So this is the new little blade, and you can, much like the other blade, it's got a little cap and it easily pops off the handle. These are going to be sold in a 3-pack. And you can use these to touch up little areas around your face, and they should probably stay sharp for around 4 to 5 uses like the other blades. I'm going to quickly show you how to use it. So much like you hold the Derma Cleaning Tool, same thing, you want to get a good grip on it, and when you do your nose, you're just going to want to do little light strokes again. Pull your nose back so that the skin is taut. Wipe it off, and then do the other side again, pulling your nose in the other direction. This is going to be really great, especially if you have a lot of pore congestion. Afterwards, you can use a peel or a mask to pull out those blackheads and really clear up the pores and the congestion. And then you can get into your eyebrows a lot better with this little one without the concern of potentially taking off any of your brow. So it really allows you to get a much more precise angle. You can do it both on the top and on the bottom to clean up the little hairs on the bottom. And I also think it's nice to do the top of your lip too. Bit easier than the other one. So that's a little touch-up blade, and leave us a question or some comments below if you have any. Thanks.